Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here once more, and this time we've got a broken wall with broken render. I've only made just a test piece rather than a whole building, but the principle is the same if you're making a bigger building. And if you're showing off a military vehicle, a World War II military vehicle, tank or whatever, then the bombed out building on the diorama you're making will probably have this kind of thing, broken wall, broken render. Very easy to do. It's a slightly different way than I normally do it. Making my own bricks as usual, and well, I'll show you how I went about making it. Before then though, please subscribe to the channel. All helps with the logarithm, and we'll get on with the video and I'll show you how I made it. So you've decided how big you want the side of your building to be. So we'll assume this is the size you've got. There's the roof and the front of the house there, but we're just going to do the end wall. And it's broken down this side, so there will be, we'll see the thickness of the wall there with all the brickwork exposed there. This end has been plastered or rendered, but the broken render is all the way down the side of the house, so we'll see the bricks there and the render there. So we need 4 pieces the same size, and then, if I can remember, decide how you want your broken plaster to look. So again, this is just a random squiggly line all the way down, and then where you want the rest of the plaster to be split and broken there, and a hole there. So put that on there, and then draw round that line that you've cut out, and then you'll have another piece like this. Okay, and then another piece, the size are the same size as this, so you need 2 like that. And then to give the thickness of the wall, a piece of 1/2 inch polystyrene between the 2. So we've got that. Okay, then we'll put bricks. I've made, or am making, some more bricks. These are the bricks that I make from tile grout, red tile grout, and I've just spread some grout over this ceramic tile, and it's still a little bit wet yet, but I'll mark out all the bricks that I need. 4 millimeters by 7, 4 by 8, so very small, don't need to be that big. So where I've got my, there we are, where I've got my line of plaster that's broken there, I'll put my bricks in this area here and on the end. Okay, and then with another piece on the top like that. So now I've got this card which is level now with the top of the bricks. Okay, but we want the plaster to be proud of the bricks, so this will then go on top like that. So we've got bricks up to the first piece of card, and then we've got the thickness of the card as the thickness of the plaster or render. I hope you followed that. I'll go ahead and do it, put all my bricks on, stick that piece on, then stick that piece over the top, and then do the end pieces with showing where the rows of bricks are, broken bricks are on the end there. Get it, trying to spit it out here, and then that will be it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do it and come back and we'll see what the end result looks like. So I finished my brick wall off with the broken render. So all it was a piece of, well, 1/2 inch polystyrene to give the thickness of the wall, a piece of cardboard one side, the size of the broken wall that you want, and then another piece on the other side, and then 2 pieces the size of the broken render. That's what it was. So before I put this on, I put a similar piece on that was level then with the brick, and then another piece on top which gives the thickness then of the render. Hope you've got all that. Did my brick wall with my self-made bricks that I made from terracotta colour tile grout. And then, oh, one missing there, never mind. Okay, so that's the broken end of the wall, and then the broken render there. So very easy to do, and you will need, if any model that you might want to make of this era, then you will normally find broken render on, over a broken brick wall. So just a way of doing it, nice and easy. Okay, thank you very much then for watching the video. Please subscribe, please click the notification bell, please click all. I'm sure you're used to YouTubers telling you this all the time. I'm no exception. So yeah, please subscribe, click the like button, and I will see you in the next video, which will be quite interesting, I think. Anyway, we'll get to that when we see it. So thank you very much for watching this. I will see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.